jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty.
Merry Christmas.
Hello. Always a great year. I'm so sorry. I'm alright. How are you? Sorry, I interrupted.
When I moved to the city, especially in the city of Sydney,
oh my god, you
Avenue,
guys!
I was running into tape and I
Bloody
was
hell.
like for a good 4
Wait,
months.
you gotta wait until you're down there.
Oh,
Jesus
people
Christ.
on the street and I was like,
What the fuck? That's called an emergency lane, you wanker! Oh my god, he's driving all the way down the emergency lane! Oh. Oh my god! Whoa, what the fuck is that?
You good?
Yep, there is a giant pile of bags and shit on the road.
Oh, I want to.
Get off the road. What? So you want to... Oh, that's still illegal, you son of a bitch.
Son of bitch, shit.
Oh, shit.
sorry.
That was my bad. Whoops. I did not see him at all. That is not okay, you sneaky little fuck. Oh, there's a traffic pole down. Oh,
So it's a traffic pole.
it's all the way across the road. Alright.
Oh,
Oh, God.
someone hit that hard.
Yep. Come on, you got this. Can't they push the... Can't they push the pole?
No, that weighs a lot and there's electricity going through it,
Yeah, true.
which metal is a conductor.
Wear your good ones with the insoles and like the gross. They're ugly. Oh, good job, truck. It's completely blocked the entire fucking road. Yep. No, you waved at me, but it's totally not okay, you wanker.
Oh, great way to obstruct their vision. Oh, you just
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
On DAB and right now, bringing you the latest from Perth, Australia and around the world.
Save this month at City Discount Tyres. Buy 3 Wild Peak AT3W tyres and get the 4th free.
So they'll be looking to sell names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, everything that they've captured from the profiles of the people.
And the pain for mortgage holders is expected to last another 6 months, with a leading economist predicting another 5 rate hikes to take the official cash rate to 4.1%. Andrew Boak from Goldman Sachs reckons we'll then see rates drop sharply over 2024 as the economy slows AMP's Shane Oliver says interest rates of around 4.2% would likely plunge the economy into recession and push house prices down by 30%.
Sport.
Australia's decisions on and off the field are being criticised after the defending champions failed to make the T20 World Cup finals.
Whoa!
We got one!
Watch out, hazard reported ahead.
Oh shit! Right over there. That is a rear end right there. And fuck. Poor bloke. Not a good way to start the day. Oh, he's
Rustified.
That guy's driving.
Is the pits, because it always gives me the shits. Yeah. That was, you guys shouldn't have sworn.
Is that all you've got?
Yeah, it was a
That's
pit.
what you're going to interrupt me.
Wow, okay.
Because I spill it
That's
on my tit. Yes, give us your hat. What?
interesting.
That was
Whoa, mate. Free stuff on the road, that's why. Fucking hell. I'm lucky. Fucking hell.
Ways to reduce the incidence of cancer amongst firefighters.
Oh, good job.
When you choose to study postgrad
Wow.
at CU, you learn the phase.
Someone
So
knows
you
how to
can
pick
take
their
your
lane.
career to the
What an idiot. Oh, good job. My bad.
You better run, you better take cover.
That's not a lane.
Good job.
Hand sanitizer and earplugs and like a sleeping mask. What is this guy doing? Good one. A cock. Oh, it's not over. What a cock. He doesn't have, well no, he's got a BMW, he doesn't have to signal. That's why you buy one.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus.
Where?
You dick.
Motherfucker.
You stupid cockhead.
Okay, Garmin.
But they have passed on this beautiful world of clay and stone. Now
What was that?
Silly. Oh my god. Stupid thing.
Fucking idiot!
Oh my god. Stupid.
I'm glad my suspension doesn't clunk over these things anymore.
No, it doesn't. Look out.
The fuck?
Audi drop.
Shouldn't do that. Most sales will be alcohol anyways. Look at this idiot.
Fucking wanker. That was pointless.
Yeah, but he'll be doing 60 in Patterson.
He's doing more than 50.
It'd be really funny if the things went down.
The boom gates.
Yeah.
At the wrong time of day.
Look at that.
Down the pub. Yeah, we had to get there.
What an idiot.
What in the fuck are you doing?
The team behind NZ Herald Travel are travellers to help you, and they're also extreme sharers of the latest news.
That's a fox! What the fuck? Okay.
I thought it was a cat for a second.
Same.
Didn't know Australia had foxes.
Yeah, we've got foxes.
Jingle around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.